Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to do with this rear badging. It's chrome and it's got a little bit of a blue trim on it that signifies the hybrid technology on all the Toyotas. And what I did was order one of these gloss black emblem overlays. They just stick right on. From this one, somebody on the forums, on one of the Sequoia or Tundra forums, had these, and I guess they made them gloss black and are selling them. So I picked one up. He has an eBay store, and I'm gonna put it on and show you guys what it looks like. The other thing that I did was also order an AJT key fob housing. I had this, or I have this for my 4Runner. And so I got it for the Sequoia as well. It just differentiates keys, key fobs. I like the look of it, matches the truck, obviously. So yeah, the other thing that I also ordered from AJT was this rubber center console protector. It's just rubber, just flops in there. It's perfectly cut for it. And that way you don't have that plastic on plastic rattling or whatever and everything sliding all over the place. Once I put something on there, it stays on there. It's hard to move them and stuff. So it's pretty cool. Just thought I'd share those and that's it. All right, so here's how it looks. Just a quick minute, 45-second install. It's gloss black, matches the background. And it also matches the Sequoia gloss black lettering. So there you have it. I think it looks pretty cool. Check it out.